Hellcat.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Origami and today I will be teaching you how to fold an origami YouTube logo stand. This is here. This is how it looks from the back. So this simply helps the model to stand, and the stand is basically a modification in this model. So to learn this, make sure that you watch the video till the end. So let's get started. So let me just show you how it looks from the front side and the back side. So this is how it looks from the front side and this is how it looks from the back side. So to fold this, we need an origami YouTube logo which is already done. So if you don't know how to fold an origami YouTube logo, please watch the video of origami YouTube logo tutorial from my channel and then continue this video. So what we have to do is just unfold all these corners. Just make sure that there are not any creases, errors. So unfold this, and now you may see this layer that is there. So just unfold this and simply again fold this, and just crease here. So you will see like this. So we have to make this line a mountain fold. So let's make it. Just fold it behind, and this is how it looks. Now what we have to do is you can choose any one of it. So make one corner down again. I have made this corner down. It looks like this, and this corner will be squashed inside. So squash it inside. So this is how it looks. Now what we have to do is fold this inside. It will look like this, and this side too we have to do. So unfold, fold this. It's a tricky fold, so watch carefully. Fold this till here, crease this, and just fold. This crease should be done well. We are done. The stand is almost done. So what we have to do, just fold the remaining two corners inside and crease well again. And now just give a shape to it. And our stand is almost done. Just make sure that you have made all creases neat. And our stand is done. So this is how it looks from the front side and the back side. And if you want more stability, you can just fold this here. This is just a tip. Otherwise it's okay. But if you fold this also in, it will stand very neat. So this is done. Our YouTube logo stand is done, and I hope you liked the video. So please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and tell me in the comment section how you liked the stand and how I have recently added a new intro to my videos. So also tell me that if you liked the intro and should I continue it in every video. So bye bye.